It's me, Dr. Chan. Welcome back to Tooth Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is about 3-month cleanings and the importance of them. We have a Plaque Control Program, which is a 3-month cleaning program, because kids do tend to build up plaque. Some of them tend to get cavities very easily. If you have any orthodontic treatment, any braces, any appliances, it's really important that you keep your teeth clean and get a good teeth cleaning every 3 months. As you can see, this person doesn't look like they have a lot of plaque, but look, if we can actually uncover the plaque with the disclosing tablet, we can see they actually have quite a bit of plaque on their teeth. This person would be great to come in every 3 months for a cleaning. This would be an orthodontic patient that is not brushing as well, a lot of plaque. So again, another great candidate for a 3-month cleaning program. Give us a call and see how this program can be beneficial for you.